Thanks for having Celestica here today, and my impression towards this program today is very positive. This is a good opportunity for us to have some connection, some bonding with the university students, and get them to know about Celestica and what we do.
Not many time you have chance to talk directly with the student or that you become the engineer in the future. So at least I can share some of my experience to them to get them to know about what they are going to do in future. Yeah.
Our students, most of them are not yet graduated, so they have no ideas about what going to be when they are going to be graduated. So with the sharing, they know the actual working life environments and what the expectation going to be. And also I think they also share with the student the skill they required for them to attend interview and also how to acquire a job.
My impression towards this program is that it has exceeded my initial expectations, and I have actually learned more and outside of my own department, which is mechanical, and I actually was able to understand about the electronics and how it functions. So I would say it's really good.
Of course, I would recommend this program to my friends as it's informative and it's very useful for students like us, especially the Year 3 and the Year 4 students who are graduating soon and stepping into the workplace very soon.